Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from towards data science sponsorship payouts, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from towards data science sponsorship payouts, begin by logging into your towards data science account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile section, typically found in the top right corner of the page. In the profile menu, select the earnings or payouts option. You will see a summary of your sponsorship earnings. Check your available balance to ensure you meet the minimum withdrawal amount. Next, look for the withdraw button or a similar option. Click on this button to initiate the withdrawal process. You may be prompted to select your preferred payment method. Choose the payment method that works best for you, such as PayPal or bank transfer. If it's your first withdrawal, you might need to provide additional information for verification. Fill out any required payment details accurately. Review the withdrawal request to confirm all information is correct. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Typically, processing time for the withdrawal can vary. Check the FAQ for specifics. Monitor your email for any notifications regarding the status of your withdrawal. Once approved, the funds will be transferred to your chosen payment method. Finally, ensure to keep track of your account for any updates or changes to your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.